In this video, I'm gonna teach you how we can use the advanced Unity ads throw system in our project. And see if we got some errors. That's because we didn't install the Unity Ads SDK, so first install it. For this we need to click on Windows, Package Manager, and the next is Go. And then we have to click on it and select the Unity Registry option, and then wait and a little bit scroll down till we see an option named Advertisement Legacy, and then we're going to click on this, and yes, we need to install it. It start installing. And now you can see all errors are resolved. And now I'm going to click on Tools in Web Settings. And see, it opened, and I'm going to install the Text Mesh Pro. And it's installed. Like, we got the successful message. The next step is we need to get the project game ID. So for this we need to go on Unity. And see, if your project is for iOS, then go for iOS. If it's for Android, then go for Android. Mine is just a basic Android project, so I'm going for Android. After getting the game ID, we simply have to paste over there. The next step is scroll a bit down, click on Apply Settings, and create or Ad Manager. See, it will automatically create a game manager over there. And again, we have to click on Apply Settings. It will apply all the settings automatically over there. Close it. One more thing, don't forget to shift your project to Android. I forgot to do this, sorry. Then click on Switch platform. As it's done, now we're going to test it. And you can see our basic test become in a score text. And when we play the video ads, it will run the video ads. If we click on Show Banner, the banner appears. And if we choose on, if I show the banner and close it, it will be gone. And if we click on rewards, it will show and give a reward. The banner will disappear when I click on it in second because of this, like auto banner interval system. I will teach about this all in detail in next video. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. And if you like the asset, you can buy it in the asset store link.